Hi everyone, welcome back to Da Spiritual Bombs, Salts, Herbs, and More, where we talk about all things spiritual and keeping our crown on in the real world. To my subscribers, thank you for supporting me. You are new, welcome, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe today. We're diving into the world of DIY diffusers, a simple, budget-friendly, and customizable way to keep your home smelling amazing. Whether you prefer reed diffusers, simmer pots, or candle warmers, I've got something for everyone. Let's get started. DIY diffusers are a simple, budget-friendly way to add a pleasant fragrance to your space. Here are a few ideas for making your own diffusers. Reed diffuser. What you need: a small glass bottle or jar with a narrow opening. Reed sticks, bamboo skewers, or natural reeds work well. Essential oils of your choice. Carrier oil, sweet almond oil, fractionated coconut oil, or mineral oil. Optional: rubbing alcohol or vodka to help the oil travel up the reeds. Tips for an effective reed diffuser: choose the right base, oil, light, and non-greasy oils. Work best. Use carrier oils like fractionated coconut oil, sweet almond oil, safflower oil, or grapeseed oil. These oils are thin and allow for better absorption by the reeds. Mineral oil option. Mineral oil is another great option because it's clear, odorless, and light. Enhance scent diffusion. Alcohol or vodka. Add 1–2 teaspoons of vodka or rubbing alcohol to the mixture. This helps thin the oil so it wicks up the reeds more easily and disperses fragrance faster. Essential oil concentration. Use 20 to 30 drops of essential oil for every 1/4 cup of carrier oil. Adjust to your preference, but don't skimp if you want a noticeable scent. Optimize reed placement. Fewer reeds for smaller spaces. Start with 4 to 5 reeds for smaller areas. Use 7 to 10 for larger rooms. Too many reeds can cause the scent to dissipate too quickly. Flip the reeds regularly. Flip the reeds every 3–5 days to refresh the fragrance. Be careful when doing this. Place the diffuser on a non-porous surface to avoid oil stains. Customize the bottle. Narrow neck bottles work best. The narrower the neck, the slower the oil will evaporate, making it last longer. Decorate it. Add a decorative touch to the bottle to match your decor. You can paint it, tie twine or ribbons around the neck, or use colored glass for a unique look. Extend the life of the diffuser. Top off the oil. Check the oil level every 2 to 4 weeks and add more when it gets low. You don't need to replace it completely unless the oil smells stale. Replace reeds. Reeds tend to clog over time. Place them every 1 to 2 months for optimal diffusion. Perfect placement. Avoid drafty areas. Too much air circulation can make the scent dissipate too quickly. Keep away from direct sunlight and heat. Heat speeds up oil evaporation and can degrade essential oils. Strategic locations. Place the diffuser in high-traffic areas such as entryways, living rooms, or bathrooms for the best effect. Creative scent. Blends for reed diffusers. Troubleshooting common issues. Weak scent. Add more essential oil to the mix or flip the reeds more often. Check that the reeds aren't clogged. Too strong scent. Remove some reeds to reduce diffusion. Short-lived fragrance. Ensure you're using a good quality carrier oil and reeds. The alcohol helps oils diffuse faster, but may evaporate quicker. Spray diffusers are simple, versatile, and portable. You can create customized blends for different rooms or purposes, and they're great for quick bursts of fragrance. Here's tailored advice for making and using spray diffusers. A spray bottle, distilled water, essential oils. Optional: witch hazel or vodka to help blend the oils. Instructions: fill the spray bottle about 3/4 full with distilled water. Add 10 to 20 drops of essential oil. Adjust based on your preference. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of witch hazel or vodka. Shake well before each use and spritz around your space. Tips for effective spray diffusers. S. Choose the right bottle glass. Bottles are best. Use amber or cobalt glass spray bottles, 4% or 8% to protect the essential oils from sunlight, which can degrade them. Fine mist nozzle. A bottle with a fine mist sprayer ensures even distribution of fragrance. Create the perfect base, distilled or filtered water. Always use distilled or filtered water to avoid impurities or mineral buildup in your spray. Alcohol or witch hazel. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of vodka, rubbing alcohol, or witch hazel as a preservative and emulsifier. This helps the oils mix with water and ensures an even mist. Essential oil ratios. Standard ratio. For every 2 Oz, 60 ml of liquid, add 15 to 20 drops of essential oil. For stronger scents, go up to 30 drops. Skin-safe blends. If you're spraying near people, use lower concentrations, 10-15 drops per 2 Oz. Shake before use. Essential oils don't naturally mix with water, so always shake the bottle before each use to disperse the oils. Test before spraying. Patch test. If you're using the spray on linens, test it on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure it doesn't stain or leave a residue. Creative uses for spray diffusers. Room sprays. Use in living rooms, bathrooms, or entryways for a burst of fragrance. Troubleshooting common issues. Scent doesn't last long. Add more essential oil to intensify the fragrance. Use heavier base oils. A drop of fractionated coconut oil to anchor the scent longer. Spray bottle clogs. Clean the nozzle regularly by soaking it in warm water and vinegar. Strain the liquid if using fresh ingredients like citrus zest or herbs to avoid debris. Uneven scent distribution. Ensure you include an emulsifier like vodka or witch hazel to blend the oils with water. Candle warmers are an excellent low-heat way to diffuse scents throughout your space. They're versatile, easy to use, and can be customized for your favorite essential oils or wax melts. Here's how to get the most out of a candle warmer diffuser. Candle warmer diffuser. What you need: a heat-safe bowl or dish, candle warmer or tea light holder, water, essential oils. Tips for using a candle warmer as a diffuser. Select the right dish or bowl. Heat-safe materials only. Use ceramic, glass, or metal bowls designed to withstand heat from the warmer. Flat bottoms work best. Ensure the bottom of the bowl sits flush with the warmer for even heating. Create a fragrant blend. There are 2 main methods to use with a candle warmer: essential oils with water or wax melts. Instructions: essential oils with water. Fill the bowl halfway with water. Distilled water is preferred to avoid mineral deposits. Add 8 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. You can always adjust based on room size or scent preference. As the water heats up, the scent will gently disperse into the air. Pro tip: add a pinch of sea salt to the water. This helps slow down evaporation and anchors the scent. Placement and safety tips. Choose the right spot. Place the candle warmer in a central location for the best scent dispersal. Avoid overheating. Don't let the warmer run dry if using water and essential oils. Refill as needed. Supervise. Always keep the warmer away from flammable items and out of reach of kids or pets. Troubleshooting candle warmer diffusers. Scent fades quickly. Add more essential oil to the water or replace wax melts more frequently. Keep the warmer in a smaller, enclosed area for stronger diffusion. Residue in the bowl. Wipe the bowl clean after each use to avoid residue buildup, especially when switching between oils and wax. Weak scent. Throw. Use higher quality essential oils or wax melts. Cheap products may contain synthetic fragrances that don't diffuse well. Customizing your candle warmer can make it both functional and a beautiful addition to your decor. Here are creative ways to personalize and enhance your candle warmer experience. 1. Add decorative elements. Use a stylish bowl. Replace the standard dish with a unique, heat-safe bowl or dish. Choose a design that matches your room's aesthetic, such as vintage ceramic, colorful glass, or minimalist white. Decorative stands. If your warmer is freestanding, place it on a decorative tray or coaster for added style. Seasonal decor. Surround your warmer with small seasonal decorations like pine cones, faux flowers, or mini pumpkins for a festive vibe. Decorate the base of your warmer paint or wrap it. If your candle warmer's base is plain, paint it with heat-resistant paint or wrap it in decorative tape, washi tape, for a personalized touch. Decals or stickers. Apply heat-safe decals for patterns like floral designs, geometric shapes, or even seasonal themes. Simmer pots and natural diffusers are fantastic, eco-friendly ways to scent your home using ingredients you likely already have. They're versatile, customizable, and create a cozy atmosphere. Here's a guide to making the most of them. How to use a simmer pot. A simmer pot involves heating water with fragrant ingredients to release their scent. You can use a stovetop, slow cooker, or electric potpourri warmer. Basic simmer pot instructions. Fill a pot or slow cooker halfway with water. Add your chosen ingredients, fresh, dried, or essential oils. Bring the water to a gentle boil, then lower to a simmer. Refill with water as needed to prevent burning the ingredients. Ingredients for simmer pots. You can mix and match ingredients based on the season, mood, or scent preference. Fruits, citrus, orange, lemon, lime, grapefruit. Use peels or slices. Apple, perfect for warm, cozy blends. Herbs, fresh or dried. Rosemary, thyme, mint, basil, or sage. Spices, whole or ground. Cinnamon sticks, cloves, star anise, nutmeg, cardamom pods. Flowers, dried lavender, rose petals, chamomile. Extras, vanilla extract or beans. Essential oils for extra fragrance, eucalyptus, lavender, or peppermint. Tips for simmer pots. Repurpose kitchen scraps. Use leftover citrus peels, apple cores, or herbs nearing their expiration date. Keep an eye on water levels. Never let the pot run dry, as it can burn the ingredients. Reuse ingredients. Simmer the same pot multiple times throughout the day. Just refresh the water as needed. Eco-friendly. Simmer pot ideas. Use compostable or biodegradable ingredients for a zero-waste approach. After simmering, compost the used fruits, herbs, and spices. Troubleshooting simmer pots. Weak scent. Add more ingredients or essential oils for a stronger fragrance. Lingering odors. For stronger odors like food smells, add vinegar to the simmer pot. Combine it with citrus peels for a pleasant scent. Natural diffuser options. If you prefer a method without heat, here are alternatives for natural diffusers. Citrus and herb jars. Combine sliced citrus, herbs, and spices in a mason jar. Fill with water and refrigerate for up to a week. Place the open jar in a small room or pour the contents into a bowl of water to diffuse naturally. Herb bundles. Tie bundles of dried herbs like lavender, rosemary, or sage with twine. Hang them in closets, bathrooms, or near air vents for a light, natural scent. DIY gel air fresheners. Mix unflavored gelatin, water, and essential oils in a heat-safe jar. Add food coloring or decorative dried flowers for extra flair. These make great portable diffusers for small spaces. Baking soda sachets. Combine baking soda with essential oils in a fabric pouch. Place the sachets in drawers, cars, or gym bags to absorb odors and release fragrance. There you have it. A few easy, natural ways to make your own diffusers at home. I hope you're inspired to try one of these projects and add a personal touch to your home's fragrance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.